Okay, today I want to show you how to use the long and short tool on TradingView. How to use long and short tool on TradingView. You can use it to enter long trades or short trades. You can also use these two tools in forecasting your trading analysis to know, and also you can use this tool to calculate your stop loss distance and also your take profit. You can as well use this tool while you forecast and get your entry points and exit points and even your take profit, and now you can now use it to know where you are going to actually enter on your MT4 or MT5 in case you do not use TradingView to initiate your trades. Okay, you can actually use TradingView to do your analysis and forecast your analysis and now execute your trades on MT4. This is just the way I do it. Okay, I actually trade on MT4 or MT5 sometimes, but if I can as well do my analysis on TradingView. You can as well also trade directly on TradingView if you integrate your broker into it. So now, how do you use the long and short tool? What you need to do, we're on GBP USD chart. What you need to do is to come here. Can you see? Come here, click on this pen tool. Okay, click on this pen tool here. Once you click on it, let us click on it. Once you click on it, you will see this menu. This pop-up menu will come up. All right, when the menu comes out, you scroll all the way down. You can see here trend line. You can see trend line tools here. You can see Gann and Fibonacci tools. Keep on scrolling down. Okay, scroll down. You can see geometric shapes, but that's not what we are looking for today. You can see annotation. Keep scrolling, scroll down. You can see patterns, and now where we are interested in today, you can see is where we are right now, forecasting and measurement. So forecasting and measurement, this is where you're going to come, and here you can see the long tool. You can as well here see the short tool. All right, let us start with the long tool. The long position. All right, so long position tool. So let us click on the long position tool. So assuming the long position tool actually helps you to, if you want to enter a long trade, that is a buy trade, or to analyze your take profit or stop loss for a long trade. Now let us actually enter. Let's say this is a demand zone right here. So you can see, can you see this this cross here? Okay, you can see this cross here. When I move it, there's an intersection between two lines, so a horizontal line and a vertical line. That is where you are right now. So that is where we are. When you click on, you have to move this cross bar to the point where you want to start to draw your tool. Right, let's assume you want to draw it here. So click here. So you can see now. You can see this. You can actually drag this by click here, up here. You can drag from here. You can also drag from here. All right, so you can, when you click on any of these points I'm indicating right now, you can drag up from here. You can drag sideways from here, or even down. You can drag sideways or up or down from here, even here as well. All right, now this here is the long. This is your take profit, 25.4 pips. Okay, but I'm going to show you how to make it in a round number. This is your take profit, 25.4 pips. Here also shows you your stop loss, which is about here 25.4 pips as well. So this is a 1:1 risk to reward ratio. All right, this is a 1:1 risk to reward ratio. But let us just proceed. Let's proceed. So I want to drag it up. I want to drag. So you can see where I click on that position to drag it up. So you can see now. You can see. So, but here too, I want to click here. I would like to click here to drag it to this position. To drag it to get to actually cover the. I would like to click here. If you click here and drag, you can drag this stop loss along to the right side. If I also click here, you can drag to this point. All right, so these are dragging points. All right, so now let me drag it down here. So I've dragged it, so let it cover the entire demand zone. All right, so this here, so this is my stop loss, and this is my take profit, TP, take profit. Can you see? So it makes the long tool helps you to indicate your stop loss and take profit more proficiently and more easily. It helps you to calculate it easily. Now let us now click on it. You can see here now I'm now have if you click on the tool, you see my take profit is 88.7 pips. You can see 88.7 pips right there, and my stop loss is about, okay, my stop loss is about 25.4 pips. That's where you see your stop loss, and here also is showing you your take profit on this trade, 88.7. so now I can as well, and that ratio is showing you the ratio. Now in the in between at this point, now here this shows you the ratio. Here this is the ratio, ratio 1:3, 1:3.49. okay, ratio 1:3.49. that is indicated right here. So the ratio 1 is, so when you divide this 88.7 divided by 25.4, you will get you get about 3.49. so is the ratio you are risking 1 to 1 position to have to gain 3.49 in terms of risk to reward ratio, RR. That is what is this tool helps you to automatically calculate all this without you having to press anything, calculate or to bother your mind or your head. Okay, so now, but I want to show you something. This point, if I don't want to have this point here, I can actually remove it. So let us see how you're going to do that. So you click, what you're going to do, what you're going to do is that you click on anywhere, any portion of the long of this. You can click here, you can click here, click here, click here, any place you click right here. You see that this will come up. So this is where I want us to click right now. So you click on this three dotted line here, you click on it. If I want us to remove the dot on the TP, the pips point, or for the take profit and a stop loss, so you just click on this three dotted point. Let us click on it. So when you click on it, you just scroll up to settings. You scroll up to settings, you can see settings right here. You scroll up to settings. When you click on settings, so you can see now the account size of this the account size of this account is $1,000. all right, 1,000 USD, showing you the account size. All right, so if you are using this tool, your account size is supposed to appear right here. So you can now scroll up. You see the risk. You are risking 1%. You want to risk 1% of your account. You want to risk 1% of your account. I can change this. You can change this to whatever amount type of. You can click on it and change whatever percentage of this account account here that you want to risk. So everything is automatically done for you in percentage. You can see it's in percentage. So you put 2%. If you want to risk 2% of your account, you can put 5%. You want to risk 5% of your account, but industry standard is 1%. So we're going to leave it on 1%. Okay. Now you scroll up. So you can see we saw that our stop loss, our take profit was the profit level. We are looking at on the profit level section. We saw 88.7. So here you can see ticks. It's showing in ticks. That is to say, if I want to remove this 7, I want to make it a round figure. I want to have like 88 pips. What I'm going to do is to click on this and remove that 7. Let's make it 8880 to have a round figure. Enter. Okay, so you can see now it is now 88 pips instead of 88.7. So it's 888 pips now. So as well, I would also like to remove this dots. Let it not be 25.4. Let it just be 25 pips. Okay, let us still go there. So I'll still click on those three dotted line. I'll go to settings. I'll click out. Now see, I'll now change this 254. I'll change it to 250. I'll say okay. You can see now that it's now 25 pips. Round figures 88 pips. Okay, and you can see my risk to reward ratio is 1:3. 1:3. Sorry, my risk to reward ratio here is showing 1:3.52. What if I want to have a risk reward ratio of 1:3. How do I do it? A risk reward ratio of 1:3, which is what I recommend for my mentees to trade. 1:3 or even 1:2. All right. What I call you click on it and you drag. You can drag this, and when you are dragging, you are looking at, dragging up and down. You are looking at this. Okay, you're looking at this. Okay, you're looking at this risk to reward ratio. All right, you are looking at it, and the way once you keep, as you are dragging, so once it's at 3 dots, you just stop dragging. So that is what I want you to watch now. So we click on it, and we are dragging until we get to 3. So it's now 3.01. So 3.01. So just 3. So it's now on 3, and you see it's on 3, and you see it's on 3. So it's now perfectly 1:3 risk to reward ratio. 1:3 risk to reward ratio. And you can see when you click, you can see that the stop loss, the risk to reward ratio, the stop loss distance is, or rather stop loss pips is 25 pips. 25 pips. This is 25 pips, and this is about 75.1 or there, about 75 pips. Okay, this is 75 pips. All right. So it's now 1:3 risk to reward ratio. So I showed you how to have the risk to reward ratio shown. To have to get the risk to reward ratio, you need to just drag this, any of the coordinates. You can drag this here, you can drag this, you can also drag, there's one here as well. Okay, just drag any of the coordinates. All right, so you just drag any of them, and you would see that. But there should be a way actually to do it right here. That is what I'm trying to shake out. There should be another way. So something else, there's something else you need to know. So when you have now fixed your, when you now have, like here now, you can see this is the stop loss is 25 pips, which is showing in ticks. In ticks is 250 ticks, but instead is around 25 pips in actual sense, and the take profit about 751 ticks, which is about 75 pips in actual sense. All right. So now if you want to execute this trade, if you want to execute this trade on MT5 or MT4, what you are supposed to do, you just come here, this entry price, you copy this entry price, copy it 1.261 66 1.26166. So you copy it, and that is what you're going to impute in your MT5, in case you want to do like a sell limit entry, or sell limit, or buy limit order. So this is going to also, now you now copy this as your stop loss. So this would have helped you. This would have helped you now to calculate your stop loss and your take profit. All right. So now let us check it out. Let us see for the short position. Let us see. If you want to cancel, if you want to click, you want to remove this. All you just need to do is to come to this delete tool right here that is showing, and when you click on this delete tool, it will take it out. Let us click on it, so it starts taking it out. So now let us also show example for the short tool. Okay, let us show example. Let me look for a good supply zone where we can actually show the short tool. So the same way it will show the short tool, the short position tool, you just come also as well here, click on this pen. When you click on it, you scroll up, but you can see now you scroll up down to measurements, you scroll up to forecasting and measurement. You can see we are on forecasting and measurement. You now click on the short tool. We are on forecasting and measurement here. You click on the short tool, which is this one. So when you click on it, you can now, you see this the coordinates will appear as well. So the coordinates, the intersection of the horizontal and vertical line, there's a point there. That is where you want to point at the place you want to draw. This is the supply zone here. There's a supply zone here, so I want to draw this from. So you click on it. When you click on it, let's do it well. Let's do it again well. So when you click on it, so you can now drag. You can now drag. I showed you how to drag the other time. So you drag from here or even here. All right. So so you now drag. Let us drag. You drag this down. Okay. Drag this down. Drag this down. Check over the entire area. So now, so you can see here, what I actually mean here is that this is my entry point on this trade. This is my stop loss, and here it's showing 25.4 as well. And this is a ratio, risk to reward ratio of 1:4. You can see it here. This is a risk to reward ratio of 1:4, and this here is my take profit limit, my take profit. All right, can you see that is my take profit? And how do you know the take profit distance, or rather the take profit pips? As rather, you can see the take profit pips here is showing as 104 pips. 104 pips. All right, 104 pips. So and as I told you, if you want to adjust anything, you can come here under for the setting, under the settings, and when you come under the settings, you can actually see how you can adjust and see the levels and all that. Okay, now if I want to adjust this for maybe I don't want to risk up to 4 pips, sorry, not up to, I don't want to have a 1:4 risk to reward ratio. I'll just drag. I can drag here, drag it up to, and as when I'm dragging, as I showed you last time, I'll be looking at this risk to reward ratio. All right, I'll be looking at that risk to reward ratio. So now let us drag. Let's drag. So when you drag, so I'm dragging from here. You're looking at 3.6. This is 3.7. 3 points. You know where we're looking at. I hope you know where we're looking at. We're looking here. As I'm dragging, I'm looking at this point to show me the risk to reward ratio that I want to reach on this trade. All right, so when I get to the right my desired risk to reward ratio, I'm going to stop dragging, and you can see this is where I'm dragging. So you can either drag it up or you drag it down to get your desired risk to reward ratio. So now, so I'm dragging it up, so you can see I'm dragging it down. So it's 4.02. This is 4.4. So I'm taking it off. Let me do 1:3 risk to reward ratio until it gets to 3. I stop. When it gets to 3, I stop. So it's now on 3.04. So it's there's 3. So you can see it's now risk to reward ratio of 3. So I'm risking 1:3 here. So you can see the risk to reward ratio of 3. Let's assume, let me say I want to reduce my stop loss distance. I can as well come, I'll just come and drag here. I'll drag this up. If I want to increase my stop loss distance, if I want to reduce it, I can my entry, I want to enter earlier, I'll drag it down. So all these coordinates are for dragging. Okay, so this is actually it. So this is how to use the long and the short tool. All right, that is how to use the long and the short tool on your MT4, or sorry, on your TradingView. So you can actually use this to do your analysis, calculate your risk to reward ratio. And even if you don't want to execute on TradingView, you can execute on MT5 or MT4. Just copy the point, the entry points, the entry price point, and now execute on your MT5 or your MT4. All right, I hope this video was clear. If you're yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe for more information. You're yet to subscribe, do subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up if you found some value. And if you need me to mentor you one-on-one on anything about Forex, from the beginning, from the basic level to the advanced level of Forex, smart money concept, trade, demand and supply, and instructional trading, kindly contact me. My contact detail is in the description box of this video. If you're here to join our YouTube, Telegram channel. Do join our Telegram channel. I share free chart analysis in our FOREX Telegram channel. You're going to benefit by being a member of our free Telegram channel, and that Telegram channel you get a lot of chart analysis that I share almost every day that you can trade at your own discretion. And my contact details in the Telegram channel, so in case you want me to mentor you one-on-one. I said I usually mentor people one-on-one because I believe that each individual has their own learning curve, and I stoop to your level, take you by the hand until you become profitable and good in Forex trading. So till I come your way next time, do have a wonderful day ahead.